Access can import data from a delimited text file into a table. In delimited text files, each record is on a separate line in the text file. Here is an example of a comma delimited text file. Notice that the file has 9 records and 6 fields. A comma separates each field. Some delimited files might contain field values that are enclosed in single or double quotation marks called text qualifiers. Since the full name has a comma separating the first and last name, and comma is the delimiter, hence need to enclose the field in double quotes. Salary field's data type is currency. Type some text in salary field to see how Access handles invalid data. On the External Data tab in the Import and Link group, click on New Data Source. Select From File and then Text File from the shortcut menu. The Get External Data Text File dialog box is displayed. In the File Name text box, type the name of the source text file or click on Browse and File Open dialog box is displayed. Browse to the location and choose the source text file. Select Import the source data into new table in the current database. Or select Append a copy of the records to the existing table if you want to append data to the existing table. The import text wizard starts and leads you through the import process. Select Delimited, click on Next. Select or specify the character that delimits the field values, tab, semicolon, comma, space, or other. If an uncommon delimiter is used, select Other and enter the delimiter in the Other box. If the file uses a text qualifier, in the text qualifier box, select either the double quotation mark or single quotation mark. If the first row of the source file contains the field names, select first row contains column headings. Access uses these column headings to name the fields in the table. You can change these names either during or after the import operation. Click on Next. Review the field properties. Click on a column in the lower half of the page to display the corresponding field's properties. You can review and change the name and data type of the destination field. To create an index on the field, set Indexed to S. To completely skip a source column, select the Do Not Import Field checkbox. Click on Advanced button to launch the Import Specification dialog box. Notice that all the choices you made until now have been selected here. You can edit them here. You can select how date, time, and number fields are formatted. You can save these specifications for future use by clicking on Save As. Click on Specs. Import Export Specifications dialog box opens. A list of saved specifications is displayed. If you have a previous specification you want to use, click on Open to use it. Click on OK to apply all the changes. Click on Next after you finish selecting options. In the next screen, specify a primary key for the table. If you select Let Access Add Primary Key, Access adds an auto number field as the first field in the destination table and assigns it as a primary key. If you want to use an existing field as primary key, select Choose My Own Primary Key and select the field. Click on Next, specify a name for the destination table. Click on Finish. If Access was able to import some or all the data, Save Import Steps dialog box appears. If there are any errors, the status message mentions the name of the error log table that contains the description of any errors that occurred during the import operation. You can save the details of the operation for future use as a specification. Click on Close. Delimited and delimited underscore import errors tables appear in the navigation pane. Delimited underscore import errors has details of the errors which were caused during the import process. You can see error field and row are listed. There is an error in the salary field in the 9th row. Open the destination table in datasheet view. Notice that in the salary field 9th record where there was invalid data, the value is null. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.